Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we'll learn how to write SEO optimized content within Google Sheets using ChatGPT or OpenAI GPT technology. With this approach, we will scrap the competitor's content from its web page and guess the possible keywords for the competitor article and generate the Google NLP entities for this competitor's content. So these entities are being scrapped or fetched by Google NLP API. Then after analyzing the article and keywords, the GPT will write an article, a new article by including the NLP entities, and it's the same process which is doing new round writer or phrase. So it will expand the article here and it will show the final article here, and you can see its status, the slug, meta description, and the prompt for image generation. So let's try this. I have a keyword and I will scrap first my competitor content. My keyword is best wood for kitchen cabinet, and this one is my competitor. So type this URL here and click on analyze URL. It will fetch the entities from this web page. You can see here what we should include in our article. Then click on the generate content. Now it's scrapping the content from the competitor's website. Here you can see. So it's also suggesting some keywords for this article. You can see here. Now it will write article here. You can see. You can also change the prompts in this row E2. You can see here, write the 1800 words covering the same topic, same facts as my competitor used. Look, it's expanding the article. Here now you have the complete article you can use. Okay, you can get this Google Sheet link from the YouTube video description and click on the file, make a copy, update your API key. Okay, here you can see it's generating the article in proper HTML tags. It means you can just copy and paste in the WordPress or any CMS you are using. Look, here it's a SEO optimized slug, meta description, and a picture prompt. Just simply copy this prompt and paste into the chat GPT. It will generate a picture based on this information. So it's a simple way to generate SEO optimized article and outrank your competitor from the SERP. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.